Today we're driving the new Citroen C4. We're at PG Duffy & Sons Newbridge to see what this new model from the French brand can offer. So while it's technically a hatchback, it does have an SUV look to it, thanks to the raised suspension and touch of extra plastic cladding around the wheel arches. At the rear end, with that sloping roofline and spoiler, there are also hints of coupe about it as well. The new C4 replaces the C4 Cactus. I was never a major fan of the styling of the Cactus. This new model though definitely looks way better, but the exterior is still different enough from anything else on the road, in typical Citroen fashion. It starts at around €25,000 in Ireland for this entry-level feel spec. The C4 is a little difficult to classify. Is it a hatchback or is it a crossover SUV? Its hatchback rivals would include the likes of the Kia Ceed and Seat Leon, and SUV rivals come in the form of the Toyota C4 and Renault Arcana. You get a reasonable boot in the C4, similar to the Toyota C4 in size. It's got a few shopping bag hooks, some extra storage under the boot floor, but there's no spare wheel on this model. The seats can also fold to give extra cargo space. In the rear, there is space for your feet under the front seat, and 6-footers will be able to sit back here with reasonable comfort, but won't have too much headroom to spare with the sloping roofline. Kids and most adults should be fairly happy in the back seats though for long journeys. Unlike similar rivals, Citroen offers no hybrid version of the C4. This one is the 1.2 petrol with 110 brake horsepower. It's fairly smooth and punchy, but if you want more power, there is a 130 brake petrol on offer as well. In addition, you can also get it in electric and diesel, so there really should be a C4 out there for everybody's needs. The C4 shares its platform and engines with other Stellantis group cars like the Opel Mokka, Peugeot 2008 and DS3 Crossback. From behind the wheel, it's easy to drive, pleasant, and of course, being a Citroen, it's very comfortable. The hydraulic cushion suspension system creates a magic carpet effect, according to Citroen, and while that may just be marketing talk, there's no denying that on the road, the C4 irons out imperfections really well. The supportive seats and soft suspension setup means that this C4 can glide over most bumps in the road with ease, making it one of the most comfortable cars in this class. The steering is a little vague and numb, but most buyers of this kind of car aren't looking for massive amounts of feedback. The general quality of materials in the cabin is not bad and everything feels really well screwed together. However, the plastics are a little dark and dull. All the controls though come easy to hand, and Citroen have thankfully chosen physical controls for the aircon, keeping the touchscreen primarily for media and audio purposes. The digital driver's display is simple and easy to read and shows you speed, range, etc. in a clear way. The C4 then offers something different in how it looks and drives, and it's worth a look if you're after a car that stands out a little bit from other hatchback/crossovers, and it's backed up by that 5-year unlimited mileage warranty in Ireland for extra peace of mind. That's our quick first drive review of the Citroen C4. Hit subscribe, leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching Deck of Cars.